All right, here we come to the elevators at the Biochemistry Biophysics building at Texas A&M University in College Station, Texas. These are Dover from 1988. Look at this call button. This is just like the one in the Maze Business Building. And we got Dover Impulse. Fan's annoying. Barely see the indicator, only 2 lights up. All right, let's go on to 1 and we'll get the other car. We got Matthew joining in today.
Howdy.
And we got James.
Yeah.
These are your Impulse fixtures, older Dover Impulse. Phone is tightened up. I'm gonna send this up to 3 and get the other car. Look at this button right here. I've never seen this button. Oh, I lost the focus. Look at that button right there. All right, here's the other car. Let's work. And this one does not have a loud fan. Only 3 works. I'm gonna stop on an intermediate floor when I look at the. Look at that. They're replacing an LED light. Similar cab.
Mm-hmm.
All right, hold the elevator for me, please.
Yep.
All right, so look at this. Look at this intermediate station. Wow, look at that.
Okay.
Look at that intermediate station. Wow, that is so interesting. I've never seen that before. All right, go ahead and close it up.
Okay.
And send down 1. Oh, these are fast.
Mm-hmm.
These are fast for 350 feet per minute. What do you think, Matthew?
It's interesting.
There it goes, and that's it.